my new ArbPro Evo2s. I got these from Tree Stuff about a week ago. I've used them a little bit, climbed with them a few times. I would give them a 5-star review. If you want to see the video of me climbing with them, it's on my YouTube channel, Top Saw, named after the chainsaw tool I invented. A couple features I really like on these a lot is this tie-in point on the top for a knee ascender. I really like that a lot. Also just got a new knee ascender that's in the video. I actually like the sharp edge on the heel for my spurs and the sharp edge right here. I like the stiffness of the sole, the shank in it, so my foot doesn't collapse in a crotch, and the stiffness and ankle support here. So I really like these a lot. I mean, I started in West Coast, then I went to lightweight hiking boots, and this seems the best of both.